Think that old junk is just worthless clutter? Wait until you see how chipped bottles, random scraps, and forgotten playthings can breathe magic into your garden. This isn't about sprucing things up. It's about turning what's already yours into something extraordinary. Welcome to Arya Creative Design. Dive into this video for over 20 wallet-friendly DIY garden border ideas, all crafted from stuff you'd normally toss in the bin. Got a cozy nook or a petite backyard? There's inspiration here for every space. Check the timestamps to zoom to what catches your eye. Curious? Drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer every single one. These images are sparks to ignite your creativity, not blueprints to follow. Use what's around you to shape something that's unmistakably you. I might just be a voice flickering across your screen, but behind this video is a small family chasing a big dream. Every like, comment, and subscription fuels our journey. You're not just boosting a channel, you're keeping our spark alive one click at a time. Thank you for joining us and truly seeing us. Rustic river stone border. Stones whisper tales of rivers long past, a border where nature's beauty is cast. Gather smooth river stones, their hues soft and gray. Arrange them in curves where flowers play. Dig a shallow trench, lay stones with care. Let them nestle in earth, a design so rare. Water the bed, let daisies bloom near, a rustic edge in sunlight clear. Begin by collecting stones, wash them clean, dig a trench, place each one, serene. Press firmly, ensure they stay a natural line in the day. The result? A timeless border where stones embrace blooms, a garden's gentle rooms. Classic crimson brick trim. Crimson bricks march in patterns so fine, a trim where roses and lavender align. Collect old bricks, their red a warm glow, lay in herringbone, let beauty flow. Dig a trench, set bricks with pride, fill gaps with sand, let nature abide. Water the bed, watch butterflies dance, a classic trim in a garden's expanse. Start by gathering bricks, clean with a brush, dig a trench, lay in patterns, don't rush. Secure with sand, level with care, a brick trim beyond compare. The outcome? A vibrant line, where bricks hold blooms, a garden's design. Timber touch garden edge. Timber whispers of forest so old, an edge where veggies and sunlight unfold. Find weathered logs, cut into short lengths, arrange vertically, a border with strengths. Dig holes, place logs with love, secure with soil, a rustic glove. Plant lettuce near, water with grace, a timber edge in a garden space. Begin by sawing logs, sand rough spots, dig holes, place logs, ensure no what's. Fill with dirt, press them tight, a wooden edge in morning light. The result? A rugged charm, where timber guards greens, a garden's warm scenes. Sleek, rustic steel frame. Steel steel rusts with time, a frame so sleek, an edge where grasses and succulents speak. Source cordon steel cut to size, bend into lines, a modern prize. Dig a trench, place steel with care, secure with stakes, a design so rare. Add plants, let them grow tall, a steel frame in a garden call. Start by measuring steel, cut with precision, dig a trench, place with decision. Stake firmly, plant with flair, a steel edge in open air. The outcome? A modern line, where steel meets green, a garden's sheen. Living green plant divide. Green life forms a divide so pure, a border where zinnias allure. Choose lavender and thyme, low and green, plant in a row, a living screen. Dig a line, place plants with love, water gently, a gift from above. Watch them grow, a fragrant wall, a living divide in a garden hall. Begin by selecting plants, dig a trench, plant roots deep, ensure no wrench. Water well, mulch with care, a green divide beyond compare. The result? A blooming edge, where plants embrace a garden's grace. Simple concrete line accent. Concrete lines in minimalist style, an accent where succulents smile. Mix concrete, pour into molds, form a straight edge, a story unfolds. Dig a trench, place the slabs with care, let them set, a design so fair. Plant succulents, water with ease, a concrete line in the breeze. Start by mixing concrete, pour in forms, let it cure, avoid any storms. Dig a trench, place slabs, align with care, a concrete edge in the air. The outcome? A sleek divide, where concrete meets green, a garden serene. Eco-friendly plastic edge solution. Plastic reborn in a garden's embrace. A solution where petunias find space. Gather recycled strips, dark green and strong. Curve around beds, where beauty belongs. Dig a trench, lay strips with care. Secure with stakes, a design so rare. Plant flowers, water with love. An eco-edge from above. Begin by cleaning strips, dig a trench, lay strips, ensure no wrench. Stake firmly, plant with flair, a plastic edge in open air. The result? A green solution, where plastic guards blooms, a garden's tunes. Charming mini iron fence border. Iron fences, small and fine. A border where roses and delphiniums shine. Find mini iron panels, black with scrolls, place around beds, where beauty unrolls. Dig shallow holes, set panels with grace, secure with stakes, a charming embrace. Plant flowers, water with care, an iron border in the air. Start by cleaning panels, dig small holes, place fences, ensure no tolls. Stake firmly, plant with love, an iron edge from above. The outcome? A classic line, where iron meets blooms, a garden's design. Gravel and timber combo edge. Gravel and timber join in rustic song, an edge where wildflowers belong. Cut small logs, lay gravel beside, form a border where nature's pride. Dig a trench, place logs with care, add gravel, a design so fair. Plant cosmos, water with ease, a combo edge in the breeze. Begin by sawing logs, dig a trench, lay logs, gravel, don't clench. Secure with soil, plant with flair, a gravel timber edge in the air. The result? A textured line, where nature meets craft, a garden's craft. Creative upcycled garden outline. Bottles and ceramics in a whimsical line. An outline where herbs intertwine. Gather glass bottles, break ceramics with care. Arrange in a trench a design so rare. Dig a shallow path. Place pieces with love. Secure with soil. A gift from above. Plant basil, water with grace. An upcycled outline in place. Start by cleaning bottles, break ceramics, dig a trench, place with antics. Fill with dirt, plant with flair, an upcycled edge in open air. The outcome? A colorful divide, where scraps turn art, a garden's heart. If this video touched your heart, please understand that hitting that subscribe button means everything to me. You're not just backing a channel, you're fueling a passion that sustains my family. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'd also love to connect with you. What part of this video resonated most? Any ideas on how I can keep uplifting or entertaining you even better? Your thoughts shape this channel's journey with meaning and soul. Drop a comment, I read every single one.